Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, stuck in the 9-to-5 grind, and feeling like you're running on a hamster wheel? It's time to break free. In this ultimate guide to financial freedom, we walk you through the roadmap to escape the rat race and take control of your time, income, and future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your strategy, this video shows you how to automate your finances, build income streams, and create a life where money no longer controls you. Time is money. In a world where time often feels like a luxury, it's essential to recognize that every minute counts towards your financial future. The first step towards financial freedom is awareness, understanding where your money is coming from and where it's going. By using tools such as Chime and SoFi, you can take inventory of your financial health, identifying critical areas that need attention. Imagine tracking your income streams, expenses, and savings effortlessly, allowing you to focus on building the life you truly desire. This clarity becomes the bedrock upon which you can build your financial roadmap. As you begin this journey, visualize a life where stress about bills fades away, replaced by confidence in your financial choices. This shift starts with creating a comprehensive plan that includes all aspects of your finances. Factor in essentials like housing, transportation, and food, but also consider your aspirations and desires, enabling you to allocate funds toward what truly matters. Think about the vacations you've dreamed of, the hobbies you want to pursue, and the financial security that allows for spontaneous joy. Envision every dollar as a step closer to your goals, making the possibility of financial independence not just a dream, but an achievable reality. As you embark on this path, it's crucial to focus on the foundation of your financial strategy, eliminating any burdensome debt that can hinder your progress. This means taking a hard look at each type of debt you carry, particularly those tied to high interest rates. By developing a plan to tackle these debts using the avalanche or snowball methods, you'll not only lighten your financial load but also create a more welcoming space for wealth to grow. Celebrate each milestone along the way, no matter how small, as it represents your movement toward liberation from the rat race. This is the milestone of transformation, and every effort you make will compound over time. As you venture deeper into this financial freedom journey, remember that building assets is just as critical as reducing debt. This is where your investment strategy comes into play. Diversifying your portfolio across tax-advantaged accounts, brokerage assets, and alternative income sources can significantly enhance your wealth. Consider using platforms like Fidelity for retirement accounts and Robinhood for brokerage investing. Explore various options such as real estate, stocks, and even digital products that align with your interests and strengths. Embrace the concept of passive income, where money starts flowing in without requiring significant effort on your part. It's vital to create a balanced approach to investing that reflects your risk tolerance and long-term objectives. As you establish your investment strategy, keep in mind that consistency is key. Make a commitment to regularly contribute to your investment accounts, even if it's a small amount. By automating your contributions through platforms like Chime and SoFi, you ensure that saving and investing become a seamless part of your financial routine. Additionally, consider the potential of reinvesting dividends to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Remember, financial freedom isn't just the absence of debt. It's the presence of opportunities that allow your money to work for you while you focus on living your best life. As you build and diversify your income streams, regularly revisit your financial goals to ensure they reflect your evolving aspirations. Engage with the community around you, sharing insights and learning from others who are on similar paths, and you'll discover an invaluable support network contributing to your success. Ultimately, the goal is to create a sustainable financial ecosystem that paves the way for your future dreams and desires. Imagine waking up every day feeling empowered by your financial choices, free from the shackles of financial obligations. The journey to this reality starts with setting clear financial goals, short-term and long-term alike. Write down what you want to achieve: a new home, a dream vacation, or perhaps starting a business. Once you have clarity on what you aspire to, break these goals into manageable steps that you can track over time. Establish a vision that excites you and a plan that keeps you accountable. Every milestone toward these goals will inspire you to maintain momentum, turning dreams into a tangible reality. As you progress, take pride in the achievements, both small and large, that signify movement towards your financial freedom. Celebrate these victories. They are evidence of your commitment to rewriting your financial narrative. The journey to financial freedom doesn't end with just a well-laid plan. It requires ongoing dedication and adaptability. As your financial landscape evolves, So must your strategies to encompass new opportunities and challenges. Regularly auditing your financial situation keeps you aligned with your goals and alerts you to any discrepancies. This proactive approach amplifies your ability to navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence. Share your progress with friends or a supportive community, as accountability can be a powerful motivator. Remember, financial freedom is not merely a destination. It's a lifelong journey of growth, learning, and empowerment. By taking consistent steps forward, you're not only transforming your own life, but also setting an example for others to follow. This dynamic shift in lifestyle opens doors to a vibrant, fulfilling existence, where your financial choices truly reflect who you are and what you value. Ultimately, achieving financial freedom is about creating a life in which your money serves you, and not the other way around, allowing you to live fully and intentionally. As you navigate your financial journey, remember to leverage the resources available to you, especially the tools that can automate and streamline your processes. Platforms like TurboTax can simplify your tax preparation, while KeeperTax ensures you capture all eligible deductions. Create a routine that includes regularly assessing your investments, updating your financial goals, and celebrating your successes, no matter how small. The combination of rigorous tracking and strategic adjustment will enhance your ability to stay on course toward financial independence, ensuring your dreams evolve alongside your financial growth. Ultimately, you're not just chasing numbers, you're curating a life rich in opportunities, experiences, and choices. Imagine having the freedom to decide how and when you work, rather than feeling trapped by necessity. Financial independence transforms every aspect of your life, granting you the power to follow your passions. It turns mundane responsibilities into choices you actively make rather than routines you must obey. Ultimately, this transformation fosters a profound sense of fulfillment, where each decision reflects your true desires and aspirations. Embrace the journey, and remember, it's not just about financial growth, it's about cultivating a life you love. The pursuit of financial freedom is not merely about accumulating wealth, it's about gaining control over your life and choices. Every action you take brings you closer to a future filled with possibilities. Embrace this journey with determination and intention, and watch as your dreams unfold into reality. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content just like this. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. I read every one. And if you're serious about leveling up your finances, check out the links in the description for tools and resources I personally recommend. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and take control of your financial future.